You're having trouble getting your first sale with $25 one up. And you already paid $25, you paid the $10 hosting fee. You ain't trying to pay for nothing else, right? You got to go to free method. You got to go to free method. And you got people don't understand with 25 one up, when you get in, you have paid for the digital training. And at that level, you pay for the training of Facebook ad posting and posting ads, So you got to get out there. The ads that they got, the headlines that they use, they'll work. You just got to place one, find one, find a good headline, find a good headline, find a good ad copy ad, put it together, copy it, and then paste it. Paste it in these groups. They have a list of groups that they want you to use. Use that list of groups. If you got to, make a whole nother Facebook page with another email address and post in all those groups. All right. Put a picture of yourself. Talk about the company. Talk about what the company does. Next, talk about people who have made such and such money with the company. Post their pics. Then you start getting your own. When you start getting your own results, post your results. You got to do this. That's how you're going to get your first sale. People are going to ask you about it. Tell them about it. A quick, thing about it with a link for them to sign up and make their account. Have them make their account so they can be up under you. So then when they sign up and pay, you're going to get that money. When they go full throttle and pay, they're going to get that money, all right? You're going to get that money, You're going to get that money. So use the training. Apply the method. You know what I'm saying? Post in these groups. Post on Craigslist. Go on Pinterest. Make these videos. These videos work wonders. Make these videos. Make a YouTube channel. Make these videos, and just create a playlist of nothing but $25 one up videos. And everybody, I'm telling people, go to them and see them. They tag them. You can use the same tags everybody else uses. You can use the same title people are using, and I'm telling you, success will be right there at your doorstep. All you gotta do is open it up and let it in. But to get started, you got to click the link below. All right. I'm giving you the tools. I got training. I just gave you my Craigslist training is the one that works the best for me. I post in the groups, and then sometimes Facebook want to act funny and say all my posts were violating terms or something, and then Facebook would just delete them all. I could put a post up on my wall a little bit, and I'll get a little traction. But the Craigslist one, where I just wake up to leads, and I just wake up to, sales and potential sales, because I got the autoresponder set up. And this is not even using no Aweber or Get Response. Like, I got an automatic message that bombs right back to them. And then they go ahead and hop on my autoresponder. But I'm a little bit more seasoned, a little bit more of a vet and marketer. So, you want it? Let's get it, man. And send me a question, comment below, and I'm going to give it to you. All right? Peace. Oh yeah, subscribe to this channel, man.